What's up? Finally about to put on the wide body, like actually about to put on the wide body, cut this shit up, slap it on, so he could be a drift boy. Isn't that right, Jason?
So right now, we got it kind of where I want it to be at. Of course, with wide bodies, they usually take a little bit of work. So I'm gonna mock it up right now to where I want to cut it, and then I'm gonna get it started.
You know what you guys think? Wow, y'all don't use painter's tape? Well, Jason didn't want to buy any.
Drift boy.
So are you qualified to use that?
Not at all. I'm lucky there's no blade in here right now, or I would fuck myself up. I know what y'all think. You don't know what you're doing. You're right.
That's how you know the boy's still in the game. You're a stance boy, huh?
No.
Take your car to shows and you let everybody know that your tire's still fresh. What's that? You see that? I still got the UPS sticker still on this tire. Oh boy. Oh!
So that's not on the right at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Now what? Oh man.
Oh man.
I'm gonna have to go change shoes. I gotta go change shoes.
Shit got all
That shit is so fucking hot. God damn. Holy fucking burn the fuck out of my foot. That's why I wore pants to do this, because I knew there was gonna be metal shavings. I forgot how hot that shit gets. I wasn't done getting any manlier than this.
Just twist that bitch off.
So, pro tip. When you're cutting a wide body, as I'm going through this, and I'm going on it on the fly, I've never cut before. So, one really good trick is to cut where you want it cut already, form that line, and then get something that you can pry it open with, so you can have kind of angle like this. I know that's really weird, but once it's open like this, you can see a much clearer line of where you want to cut, instead of just winging it like I've been doing it. So, yeah. We're seeing how it fits right now.
He's making some progress. He's just
Doesn't look pretty just because it's first cuts. So I'm gonna go back, recut it, sand it down some more so it looks decent.
that.
Shouldn't care what it looks, but
What are we looking at, Jason?
over here is great. The shit side that I did is great. This is still not good.
Yeah. And get all that shit out the way.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do?
Keep cutting. Cause there's like barely any clearance.
Yeah, that side, that little piece looks pretty good.
Yeah. It's like a real good fitment right here. But then it just so I have to cut here. I need a Sharpie so I can see where I'm coming at.
Alright, keep cutting.
So we're about to mount. Looks ugly as fuck. Still got it.
Look at this. Look like you just sneezed midway through. Just.
I'm just real scared about this piece because this wide body doesn't cover this piece. So it'll look really, really weird. That's why I kind of left this edge. But we're about to mount the tire, see what it looks like.
What's going on, Jason?
This back piece scares me. I don't even know what to do about this. I can't cut this. I don't have the wide body won't cover it.
It's like weird. Yeah, you can only cut to right here.
Yeah.
And then
It looks weird.
then you just got this to worry about. Really down, it's really right here, all this. Yeah, you're in a tough situation. Alright guys, we're probably gonna call it a wrap here. Let me show you what we did. We're gonna have to cut probably like at an angle and like grind it down a little bit to try to get a little bit more clearance, but we don't have that much room to work with. So we're just gonna call it a wrap here, try to figure some things out. And yeah, I mean, overall, pretty good progress, not too bad for, you know, never doing this before, but we're just gonna call it here and we'll see you next time.